Hello everyone, we are here today to see how to use ShopSheets, a way to connect Shopify with Google Sheets. First we need to connect to our Google account where we will host the sheet. Once we have done that, all we need to do is click the Create Order Sheet button and your file will be ready with and all the data is pre-filled. While all data is automatically updated, we can also manually update the data. Let's create a new order. Let's press the refresh button and see if the order is updated in the sheet. That's it right there. Let's see how auto updates work. This order is unfulfilled. Let's mark it as fulfilled. We have marked the order as fulfilled and it has been updated in Shopify admin and also in the sheet. Thank you for being with us today.